Today I'm taking a look at the DEWALT 60-watt reinforced cables for a USB-C 3-pack. It's got 3 cables. They are all Kevlar reinforced. Got a nice solid braiding on there. They're also flexible enough to be able to make that kind of a bend, which is great. Of course, we got the DEWALT logo on there. It is a USB-C, and that does have the clips, so they're not going to fall out of your phone. And they even comes with a DEWALT branded Velcro strap. We got a sticker. We're looking at just over 48 inches, so about 48 and a half. These are 60-watt rated cables. It means that this cable is fully capable of super fast charging your phone. Let's go ahead and confirm that. And we are super fast charging. And I just want to confirm that we have good data, and we're going to run a speed test. Okay, so it can transfer files, but it's going to do it pretty slow. We've got a read of about 44 megabytes per second and a write of about 33.6. But in a pinch, we can use this thing to transfer files from our phone to our computer. So what that means to me is that the main point of this cable is going to be something where you can charge up your phone nice and quick. Also with very solid durability. You can see that strain relief on there. Got that Kevlar reinforcement. This is something that you could throw inside your toolbox. You don't have to worry about this thing getting wrecked. And in a pinch, can transfer files if you need to. Plus, just having a 3-pack means that if you commonly lose your cables, you're going to have extras. So overall, that is a nice pack of charging cables.